The demand for quality adult day services in Arizona is peaking in 2026, driven by a growing older adult population. Start now to offer a vital service that helps people age in place. These services enable caregivers to work and get needed respite. First, know the two models. Non-medical adult daycare offers social activities and meals, and is often private pay. Adult Day Healthcare, or ADHC, is licensed and clinical, requiring nursing oversight and therapies. It can bill Medicaid through AHCCCS and ALTCS. First, form your business entity, typically an LLC, and register with the Arizona Corporation Commission. Obtain an EIN from the IRS. Next, secure city or county licenses, confirming zoning and your certificate of occupancy. For medical models, apply for an ADHS license. To serve Medicaid clients, enroll with AHCCCS and contract with ALTCS plans. Finally, choose an accessible single-story location with ADA-compliant features. Your inspection-ready playbook needs key documents. Start with intake forms and consents. For ADHCs, an RN must lead care planning. Define medication protocols and emergency plans. Finally, use training checklists as proof of staff readiness. For 2026 mandates, maintain a baseline of 2 staff members. ADHCs require RN oversight for care plans and medication. Per HB 2764, run APS registry checks pre-hire. For medications, store them double-locked, have authorized staff administer, and document every dose on the MAR. Avoid common citations like incomplete MARs and missing APS proofs. First, size your market with TAM, SAM, and SUM, filtering by drive time and ability to pay. Next, model a realistic occupancy ramp against your max capacity and estimate revenue based on your payer mix and rates. Finally, list all fixed and variable costs to calculate your daily break-even point and stress test your margins. Build a predictable weekly calendar with cognitive, physical, and social blocks. For family communication, use a weekly update template covering mood, highlights, and practical notes. Consistency builds trust and referrals. Secure core insurance policies. Use documented supervision rounds and incident logs. Audit high-risk areas monthly, checking meds, MRs, APS proofs, and training. Need a help? Visit www.carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, band ready to serve your community with confidence.